I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Lytag Screed. Lytag Screeds for floor and roofs are known to provide a variety of benefits. It encompasses substantial savings in cost and weight, as well as improved sound and thermal insulation, be it schools, hospitals or commercial buildings. All have benefited from the advantages of Lytag Screed. Lytag lessens the weight by around 50% than typical anhydrite and sand and cement screeds. A few of the benefits are Lytag Screed lends to substantial improvement in insulation capabilities. The particle replacement of the sand and cement with Lytag Screed no fines could result in bringing down the thermal conductivity of that section by 70 to 80%. Lytag Screed betters the curing and drying process of the screed as the air conveniently passes through the no fines base coat along with the thinner top coats. Lytag Screed usage in screed systems provide cavities within the system that improves sound insulation properties for the given mass unit area values. Using Lytag Screed in the base coat creates a material with 0.04% shrinkage. With Lytag Screed in the screeding system, greater depths of base coat can be achieved for easy formation of levels or falls. Large bays could be cast in one preparation owing to low shrinkage. Further benefits are it reduces weight by 50%. When you use Lytag Screed in construction, it does lessen the weight by approximately 50% than typical anhydrite and sand and cement screeds. This is a great advantage for new structures or newly renovated buildings. The lesser the weight, the greater the design flexibility. Lytag Screed dries 3 times faster than sand and cement screeds and hydrite screeds. This gives you 3 key benefits. Apart from hastening the construction process, you can use the floors much earlier and hand over the project to the client sooner. Lytag Screed is hydrodramatically stable. Because it is cementitious, it can be effectively used in outdoor locations and most building applications. With Lytag Screed, you can greatly enhance the overall insulation capabilities. Replacing sand, cement and anhydrite screeds with Lytag Screed leads to a reduction in thermal conductivity of the said section by 80%. You also get to save the additional insulation and meet Part L of the building regulations. Compared to sand and cement screeds, Lytag creates a void that increases the sound insulation properties to the extent of 6 decibels. This assists in meeting Part E of building regulations. Along with that, the buildings are quieter as fewer sounds transfer through floors on hospitals, homes, offices, schools and theatres. Lytag helps in creating a material that helps with the reduction in the programme due to the quick drying time. The drying time is 10 ml per day, which is 10 times quicker than traditional screeds. This leads to cost savings and time. I hope this helps with your Lytag Screed questions. If you would like any further help, please get in touch.